Alrighty folks, we're back in the garage. Got the wife's car in here. Radiator fans quit coming on, overheated a little. I think the engine's gonna be fine, but we gotta figure out why. I already did the troubleshooting and I have found a burned up terminal coming off this little control module here. I've put my meter down there. I've got 13 volts. It's commanding the fans to come on, but I got this burned up terminal here, so the fans are not coming on. I'll show you how to pull this. They are fairly easy to do. This will be the second one that I've put in it, so maybe I should invest in a quality one, but I'll show you how to do it. You don't have to drain coolant or any of that jazz, and it should slide out through the top. So here we go. All right, we need to get this air cleaner. We don't necessarily need the air cleaner out of the way. I'm probably gonna get it out of my way to make filming a little easier, but this little tab here has a little slider on the back. You gotta slide it towards the front of the car, and then it's got a pin you can slide there. This little tab goes in here. I've already taken that out. We'll just tuck this out of the way, and then I'm gonna take the whole air cleaner out just because it'll make filming maybe a little easier. So I'm gonna unscrew this clamp here, and then this hose should slide off of here. And then this whole box will lift up and out of here. So I'll get that pulled out of the way and we'll go from there. All right, I've got this air cleaner out of the way. It has this fresh air pipe on it. I took it off to troubleshoot to get down in there and make it a little easier. There's a screw here, and then these two screw up by the radiator core support. This connector has to come off of here. There's a tab on this side, squeeze that baby, and it'll come off. Tuck that out of the way, hopefully. And then there's a screw here, and I believe there's a screw on the bottom of each side. And that's kind of why I've got the car up on blocks. So I will get those, yeah, there's two down in each side. So I will get those loosened up, and then we'll see if we can, I'm pretty sure you can fish this out through the top. And I don't know, I don't think you had to take the upper radiator hose out. I think with the air box out, you can sneak it out of there. So we'll give that a shot. Worst case, I've got it up. If we do have to pull that upper radiator hose, we're not gonna lose too much. So I will get those loosened and we'll go from there. Okay, new parts coming in. Okay, it's in. Got our intake back on, hose is tight. Make sure to plug your mass airflow in or you get a check engine light. So I got to top this off with a little bit of coolant. It pushed some out yesterday, but I think we'll be fine. So I'm gonna top the coolant off, and then we'll start this thing. Make sure the fans come on with the AC. I'm not gonna worry about checking it up when it goes to the overheat, but should go on with the AC on. So we'll check that. Should be good to go. All right, the air is going. It's probably gonna take a second for them fans to kick on, with that high side to come up. So we're gonna make sure they come on. Yeah, they just come on. They're really quiet, hard to see. Yep, they're on. Good to go. Well, I hope that helps somebody. Those coolant fans, or those radiator fans, aren't too bad to do. Like I said, that's the second one I've had to do on this car. So, and this one burned that terminal up. So, not too bad to do. Just pop that radiator hose out of the way, in, out, you're back on the road. So, just make sure your fan's coming on, coolant's topped off. Hope that helped somebody. If you guys liked it, give it a like, subscribe if you haven't already. I'll see you in the next one.